welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the Bridal Week. So for today's video, I'm here with this elegant and simple bridal makeup tutorial, and this is for those of you who doesn't prefer heavy glam on the wedding day. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this one, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. To moisturize my face, I'm using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. And for color correcting, I'm using the Absolute New York Click Cover Concealer in the shade Orange and Kryolan Paint Stick in the shade FS22. For foundation, I'm taking the Elegirl Pro Coverage HD Foundation and Maybelline Superstay Foundation. And with a beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything out. For concealer, I'm taking the W7 Catwalk Concealer, and to make it a little bit more full coverage, that's why I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in a very light shade. I don't exactly remember the shade name. I will list it in the description bar. So I'm applying it on the centers of my face. With the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything out. For baking my face, I am taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. First, with the beauty blender, I am applying it all over my face, and then with the powder brush, I will dust off the excess powder to make sure that the base lasts really long. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. For that, I'm using the James Charles palette, and from there I'm taking a light champagne shade to highlight my brow bone. For the crease shade, I'm taking a really dark brown. With a dense crease brush, I'm applying it all the way from the inner corner up to the outer corners of my eyes. To blend out that shade, I'm taking a lighter brown. This is a really warm brown, and with a blending brush, I'm blending out the edge of the dark brown. Now taking some concealer, I'm going to carve out the crease, as this is going to be a spotlight halo smoky eye. Now taking a brick brown shade, I'm going to blend out the edges of the cut crease. Now on the spotlight part of the crease, I'm taking a light shimmery gold. And then with my fingers, I'm taking a coppery gold and applying it all over the lid. Again, blending everything out so that there are no harsh lines. Now with the Stila glitter in the shade Gold Goddess, I'm applying it only on the very center part of my eyelid. Applying a little bit of eyeliner with the Maybelline Waterproof Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm taking the Technic Megalash Mascara. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going back to that brick brown shade, and with a tiny blending brush, I'm applying it on the lash line. And going back to the lighter brown, I'm going to blend out the edges of the lower lash line. On my waterline, I'm taking the Absolute New York Nude Eye Pencil. And with the same brow bone shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. For lashes, I'm applying these red cherry lashes. These are really inexpensive, but they are like really good quality, and if you're wondering, these are available at Lash Lounge on Facebook. For bronzing and contouring my face, I'm using the City Color Bronzing and Contouring Kit. First, with the lighter shade, I'm bronzing my face and contouring my nose. And to intensify my contour, I'm taking the darker shade. If you're looking for affordable contour kit, this is the best one. Now for blush, I'm taking the W7 Triple Treat Blusher. Again, if you're looking for affordable blush, this is a really good one. For highlighter, I'm taking the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. If you're a bride who has medium to tan skin tone, this is the best highlighter of all time for your skin. So definitely try this out. For the setting spray, I'm taking the Ofra Makeup Fixer. Again, I'm re-intensifying my highlighter just a little bit more. And to make my face look glowy, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus in Goldlight. This part might terrify you all as I'm applying a black gel eyeliner, but this is only going to be the base of my lipstick. So on top, I'm going to apply a red lipstick from Kona by Farnaz. This is in the shade Passionate. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
পিছন দিয়ে এমন করে ধরবা আমি এই জায়গাটা ব্লেন্ড করবো এই জায়গাটা ব্লেন্ড না করলে বাজে লাগবে দেখতে হ্যাঁ ধরে দাঁড়া থাকবে গুড সর আমি লিড কাটতেছি
And I'll see you guys in my next one. I hate you.